Hello YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to be crossing something off on my honey-do list. Basically, that's just a way that we can make our house better. And today, I'm going to be replacing this contractor grade light with an LED flush mount ceiling light that I got from Lowe's. I'm Jerry, and I'm living the Newcomb life. All right, so safety first, let's go turn off the power. All right, cutting the power. All right, so I'm just going to take the old light off. And I'm going to set the wire nuts aside in case I need to use them. Don't tell Dawn I put that on her purse there. All right, so my new base, believe it or not, this is the LED portion of the light. Absolutely crazy how far technology has come, but you can see these holes right here on the sides. They're a little bit larger than the holes on the ceiling bracket here. So what I need to do is I need to install this plate up here. Okay, so the first thing that I want to point out is I am not an electrician. If you don't think you're qualified to do this, then I would highly recommend hiring a certified electrician to take care of this for you. But I have done this a few times in the past, cut the power to be safe, and I thoroughly read the directions, and it literally said connect the white wire from the light to the white wire in the house and the black wire to the black wire, and then ground to ground. So that's literally what I'm going to do. So I'm taking the white wire, and what I do is I'm going to twist the wires. And then I'm going to take my wire nut right here and thread it on there thoroughly until it's tight. So I tend to overkill any project that I do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take electrician's tape and I'm going to cover that wire nut and that connection with electrician's tape, just for that added assurance to make sure that nothing's going to spark or harm us in any way. All right, so I don't know how good the camera is going to pick this up, but I got white on white, black on black, and then I've got the ground right here on the ground screw. So now we're just going to mount this plate, and these were the two screws that I removed before from this bracket right here. I'm simply screwing them back in. And then it's got two oversized holes on the ends here that you slide the mounting plate up in. It looks like that we have everything on, but before I actually put the dome on, I want to make sure that the light works. So we're going to go turn the power on and see how it looks. All right, it looks like it works. So I have to take this nut off. And then we put the dome on, and then I don't know if you guys can see that this goes between the end of the dome, which is basically a piece of plastic to keep it safe. All right, guys, so there you go. That's one thing checked off of my honey-do list, and one quick and easy way to upgrade your home. We simply replace the contractor grade lighting here in our master closet with this LED light. But the real question is, what does Dawn think?
Guys, this is amazing. I was having trouble seeing what color my clothes are. Now I can see. Thank you, honey. Yep, I'm good. This is awesome.
All right, guys, so if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free, and it really helps our channel grow. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're up to date on all of our upcoming videos. But I hope you guys liked the video, and we will see you on the next one.